Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Our school is near our house. Our school is near house. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದೆ. Your college is far away. Your college is far away. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ದೂರ ಇದೆ. There are 1000 people in our village. There are 1000 people in our village. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಜನರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. I like her. I like her. ನನಗೆ ಅವಳು ಇಷ್ಟ. It is my good luck. It is my good luck. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ. That is your bad luck. That is your bad luck. ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ದುರಾದೃಷ್ಟ. These mangoes are sweet. These mangoes are sweet. ಈ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಸಿಹಿಯಾಗಿವೆ. Children are in the playground. Children are in the playground. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಟದ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I eat bread every day. I eat bread every day. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೇನೆ. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ. I read a book every day. I read a book every day. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ. Something like. Something like. ಏನೋ ಹಾಗೆ. I need more money. I need more money. ನನಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಣ ಬೇಕು. Did you have money? Did you have money? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿ ಹಣ ಇತ್ತೇ? I like my home. I like my home. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. I have a new school bag. I have a new school bag. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇದೆ. We had 2 houses. We had 2 houses. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಿ 2 ಮನೆಗಳು ಇದ್ದವು. Our family has a house. Our family has a house. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. My uncle has a car. My uncle has a car. ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಇದೆ. My auntie has 2 sons. My auntie has 2 sons. ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ 2 ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Everyone was happy. Everyone was happy. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನು ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದನು. All are not good. All are not good. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರಲ್ಲ. Everybody is not honest. Everybody is not honest. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. A few were outside. A few were outside. ಕೆಲವರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದರು. This picture is nice. This picture is nice. ಈ ಚಿತ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. This house is beautiful. This house is beautiful. ಈ ಮನೆ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. They are my friends. They are my friends. ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯರು. Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. ಇಂದು ರಜಾ ದಿನ. Open your books. Open your books. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಿರಿ. Battery is low. Battery is low. ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. Send me the details. Send me the details. ನನಗೆ ವಿವರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿ. Your boss is very good. Your boss is very good. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು. Get up my house. Get up my house. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಬನ್ನಿ. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.